Video of why you never take your vehicle to AutoZone to have them do the check engine light. 2015 6.7 Powerstroke. Check engine light came on, went off. Here's what they found. This is the code they pulled. Got a P0170. Fuel system too rich or lean bank 1. Trim, period of time. Okay. Lady was told that it was an oxygen sensor. Well, they kind of have somewhat of an oxygen sensor, but you know how it goes. So now, here's what the actual code. Fuel trim, bank 1. Possible causes. Pressure control valve or fuel control volume. Don't ever listen to people from AutoZone. Please, just stop. Save us all a headache. Quit getting shit done for free and the wrong information.